With a fade in effect utilized as dawn breaks, the city of three cultures, Toledo, awakens to another beautiful day. Nestled in the heart of Spain, this city is just a stone's throw from Madrid. A comfortable 70 kilometers journey by car or a swift half-hour train ride can whisk you away to this cultural oasis. Toledo, a city embellished with a rich tapestry of history and a vibrant culture, stands as a must-visit spot for any travel enthusiast. This city, drenched in history and culture, is a gem that is seated, waiting to be discovered. In the heart of Toledo, you'll find a treasure trove of landmarks, each with its own tale to tell. Toledo, a mere 70 kilometers from Madrid, is a city steeped in history and culture. It's a place where every street corner, every cobblestone has a story to tell. And what better way to start our journey than with the Grand Alcázar of Toledo? This imposing fortress, perched atop the highest point in the city, has seen centuries of history unfold beneath its watchful eye. From Roman times to the Spanish Civil War, the Alcázar has stood firm, a sentinel overlooking the city. Just a short stroll away is the magnificent Cathedral of St. Mary of Toledo. An architectural masterpiece, it stands as a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. With its soaring towers, intricate carvings, and stunning stained glass, the cathedral is a must-see for any visitor. Not too far from the cathedral, tucked away in a quiet corner of the city, is the Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca. One of the oldest surviving synagogues in Europe, it's a symbol of Toledo's multicultural past. Its beautiful arches and serene atmosphere provide a tranquil retreat from the bustle of the city streets. Of course, these landmarks are just a few of the many gems that Toledo has to offer. Every alleyway, every plaza is a new discovery waiting to be made. And as a local, I can tell you that there's no better way to experience Toledo than by immersing yourself in its vibrant street life. Whether you're here for a few days or planning to stay a while, you'll find plenty to captivate your senses. And let's not forget the city's enviable location. Nestled in a bend of the Tagus River, Toledo offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the city, making it a sight to behold. Each landmark in Toledo is a testament to its rich and diverse history. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, Toledo has something for everyone. And if you're visiting Madrid, make sure to set aside a couple of days to explore this charming city. You won't regret it. Beyond its landmarks, Toledo's real charm lies in its vibrant life and culture. This Spanish city, nestled on the banks of the Tagus River, is a hotbed of tantalizing cuisine, warm-hearted locals, and an irresistible appeal for expats from around the globe. The lifestyle in Toledo is a delightful blend of traditional Spanish customs and modern conveniences. Here, afternoon siestas are as commonplace as catching the latest blockbuster at the cinema. The local cuisine is a gastronomic journey in itself. From the hearty cocido madrileño stew to the delicate marzipan sweets, the flavors of Toledo are sure to captivate your palate. But what truly makes Toledo special are its people. Their warm smiles and friendly demeanor make you feel at home in no time. And for those looking to extend their exploration, Toledo proves to be a welcoming home away from home. Toledo's rich history is another facet that adds to its allure. Once the capital of the Visigothic kingdom, this city boasts a past as layered and complex as its winding streets. Every corner, every stone whispers tales of the city's vibrant past. The Tagus River, flowing through the heart of the city, offers breathtaking scenery, especially during the enchanting sunsets. As the sun dips and casts its golden hues over the city, Toledo transforms into a magical realm. Whether you're a visitor or an expat, Toledo offers a unique, enriching experience. The city's vibrant culture, intriguing history, and friendly locales make it a place truly worth exploring. But the journey doesn't end in Toledo. Spain's heartland is a treasure trove of experiences, waiting for you to uncover. Venture into the verdant mountains where tranquility reigns supreme. Discover the serene lakes, mirrors to the soul of Spain. Stroll through the cobblestone streets of historical towns, each telling a unique tale. Madrid, a stone's throw away from Toledo, pulsates with life and vibrancy. There's so much more to explore, so many more stories waiting to be told. As the sun sets on another day in Toledo, we end our journey here. We've peered into the heart of this majestic city, traversed its rich history, and savored its vibrant culture. From the breathtaking views to the warm, inviting people, Toledo truly offers an experience like no other. And remember, this is just a taste of the adventures that await you in Spain. I hope you enjoyed this journey through Toledo. Subscribe to Cabri's travel blog for more about Spain and the rest of the world. Until next time, safe travels.